What's up, guys? Welcome to Poor Man Mods. Today we're going to be making a trans tunnel brace for the ISF. Now, Figs Engineering makes a CNC machine build aluminum trans tunnel brace for this car, and I'm not knocking Figs at all in this video. I think they make some pretty cool stuff, but I was just on their website and saw the trans tunnel brace that they make, which this is the factory one right here. They make a really nice one out of aluminum, but I was looking at it and I was like, I think I could make that myself for a whole lot cheaper. They sell theirs for like 235 bucks, and I went on the interwebs and bought a big chunk of aluminum here. This is actually cut. The one that I bought was like this big, but I think I paid 40 bucks for this big half-inch thick chunk of aluminum, and I figured I could probably turn it into a brace myself. So what I'm going to do in this video is take this off the car. It's off the car now, and I'm going to see if I can make my own brace out of that big thing of built aluminum and bolt it onto the car for a whole lot less. So let's get started. Alright, here is my finished product. This is, the shape or design that I chose to go with. You can do whatever kind of shaping that you want. All I really have is a grinder and that saw that you saw. So I can't get too intricate and make it look good. It doesn't really look good, but it's nicer than just a rectangle. I'm happy with it. It's going to be a whole lot stronger than this thing. This is super thin metal, and this is a half-inch thick piece of aluminum. It's going to be a lot sturdier than this. And it should do the same function that the Figs one is, but for a fraction of the price. So I am totally happy with this. I think it looks pretty cool, and it's going to get destroyed in probably 5 minutes after driving because it is aluminum and it's going to get all scratched and pitted up. So let's get under the car and bolt this up. You will need longer bolts. They are M8 by 1 1/4, so I'd recommend getting half-inch longer bolts to secure this bad boy, and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, there you go. The brace is installed and it fit perfectly without any issues. It actually didn't take me too long to do this at all. And this is something pretty much any of you guys could do in your basement, your garage, wherever. All you need is a drill and a grinder to get this done. It's super simple. You can shape it however you want, make it unique, give it your own little style. I went pretty basic with mine, but it doesn't need to look good. It just needs to work under there, and once it's in there, you're not going to see it anyway. So it doesn't really matter to me. I'm happy with the way that mine turned out. I am not bashing Figs at all in this video. I think they make great stuff. I have a couple of their products. I just wanted to make this on my own rather than spend a couple $100 because I like making things myself. I get satisfaction out of that, and I hope some of you guys do too. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you learned something, and I will see you next time. Thanks.